Amara Johnson was a popular social media influencer. At 26 years old, she had more than 1 million followers on Instagram and TikTok. Many young girls admired her lifestyle. She posted videos of fashion, makeup, vacations, and expensive restaurants. To people online, Amara's life looked perfect, but in real life, Amara was not happy with her body. Even though many people praised her shape, she felt her backside was not big enough. On social media, almost every influencer she followed had done BBL, the Brazilian butt lifts. Their body looked perfect, small waist, big hips, and big backside. Amara started comparing herself to them every day. One day, during a live video, someone commented, "You are fine, but BBL will make you finer." That comment entered her heart and refused to leave. From that day, Amara became serious about doing BBL. She began to search online and talk to people quietly. She didn't want bad press. She wanted everything fast and cheap. That was when she received a private message from a so-called Dr. Olumide. He said he could do the BBL for a cheaper price because she was an influencer and would promote his clinic. The clinic looked neat online. The pictures were fine. The doctor sounded confident. Amara did not ask many questions. She did not check if the clinic was properly registered. All she cared about was getting the body she wanted. On the day of the surgery, she was nervous but excited. She even posted on her Instagram story saying, "Big change coming soon." The clinic was small but clean. Nurses were polite. The doctor smiled a lot and kept telling her, "You will be very fine." Before she knew it, she was under anesthesia. When Amara woke up, her body was in pain, but she felt happy. Her waist looked smaller, her backside looked bigger. She smiled and took pictures from the hospital bed. People congratulated her online. Soon, likes and brand deals started pouring in from everywhere. But after a few months, things started going wrong. The pain became too much. It was not normal pain. Her lower back and buttocks started swelling badly. Her body became very hot. Fever came. She began to shiver. By night, something worse happened. There was a strange smell coming from her body. At first, she thought it was sweat, but the smell became stronger. A bad, rotten smell. Her bandages were soaked. She cried in fear. She called the doctor many times, but he told her it was normal and she should relax. But deep inside, Amara knew something was wrong. The next morning, she could not stand. The pain was unbearable. The smell was now obvious. Her skin around the surgery area started turning dark and purple. Her friend who came to check up on her was shocked. They rushed her to a big hospital. At the hospital, doctors quickly examined her. One of them said, "This is a serious infection. The tissue is dying. If we delay, she can die." Amara broke down in tears. She was rushed into emergency surgery. Doctors had to remove dead flesh from her body. The infection had spread badly. The smell was from rotting tissue inside her body. She stayed in the hospital for weeks. Every day was pain. Nurses cleaned her wound. The smell was still there sometimes. She felt ashamed. She could not sit properly. She could not walk well. She depended on nurses for everything. The worst part was looking at herself. Her body was no longer what she imagined. There were scars, lumps, and her backside did not look like the pictures she saw online. Instead of beauty, she got pain and scars. On social media, rumors started. Some people mocked her, some said she deserved it, others pretended not to know her anymore. Amara fell into depression. She had nightmares. The smell, the pain, the hospital lights, everything haunted her. She regretted her decision deeply. After many weeks, she was discharged, but her life changed forever. She had to wear compression garments. She could not sit for long. She had to keep cleaning her wounds carefully because the smell would come back if infection returned. Finally, Amara decided to speak out. She made a long video and told her followers the truth. She talked about the pain, the infection, the smell, the fake doctor, and how close she came to death. Many people were shocked. Some young girls said her story saved them from making the same mistake. Amara lost some followers, but she gained something better: peace. She learned that no body shape is worth losing your life. No trend is worth pain, scars, or shame. Social media always shows the fine pictures, never the sufferings behind. Today, Amara uses her platform to warn others. Her body may not be perfect, but she's alive, and that is what matters most. Moral of this story is social media pressure can push people into dangerous decisions. Cheap and unsafe medical procedures can destroy lives. Health is more important than beauty trends. Thank you guys if you stayed and watched to the end. See you guys next week as I bring another amazing story to you guys. Don't